monkeys. What were you talking about that? Can you tell me that story?
I'll tell it later, okay?
Please tell
Just a
me.
moment. First watch it carefully. See what I'm doing. You'll have to make outlines with colors, and while you are doing it, you'll have to be little slow. Then take some more color and fill it completely, okay? In this way, okay? Which color you want for pants?
Light blue.
Light blue, okay. Let me show you how we can get it. Open that white also.
White?
Yeah. See, I'm applying blue here. Open the white.
I did.
Okay. Now your brush should be thoroughly clean. Then take and do like this. Now you can see that it's become
Light.
slowly it's becoming
Light.
lighter and lighter and lighter. Fine now? Fine now?
A little bit more white.
Wait. Let me clear it completely. Now take white.
A little bit more.
Do it now.
Make it even.
Move it thoroughly. Margins, you should be slow. Move your color slowly. Okay.
I'm really afraid of monkeys.
What happened?
Tell me the story of the monkey now. The one with the
I'll tell you that story later on, okay?
I really want to hear.
Now your color is going in yellow color. See the mess you created.
Oopsie.
You created mess. See what you did.
Ooh.
Because you are not concentrating on your work. You are asking about story again and again. That's why. Give me your brush. Give me this brush. See now what I'm doing. I'm merging these two colors very thoroughly. Because I can see that there are dark patches also. So let's remove these patches. If we take little water and move brushes here, strokes here, then there is no patch now. Can you see? It's very fine sky blue color. It has become very fine sky blue color. Can you see this?
Yes. What do I do?
Take some more color.
Insect. Do monkeys come in this weather? In this weather, do monkeys come? Do monkeys come in this weather?
Yes, they can come all the time.
And
Weather is no foundation for them.
how about polar bears?
We don't find it here.
How about unicorn?
Polar bears
Unicorn?
live where the
Where?
poles are, like North Pole and South Pole. Unicorns are imaginary.
And Santa
You can't
Claus.
see. They can be seen in the pictures only.
Oh, her hair. White.
fine now?
Yes, now let's.
Oh, it's remaining.
Is this sparkle
It
one?
should be little dark here.
How about her mouth? Let's put it white.
I want to show you some more things.
Wait,
I want to guide you something. Take out that black.
black?
See, if we take little black and we move that color here also, will come with very pretty different shades. And now again I'm using that brown. Okay, and I'm merging it thoroughly. Now we can see
That looks fine.
now it's your turn to do.
But
Outside the face till the end of.
ooh,
It's okay.
my.
Now you'll have to be careful. Apply it now, don't waste the time. Yes. Till the end of the hair tip. Yes. Give me your brush. And you should start from here.
Brown.
Then brown.
How about wait? Can you give me the brush? No, not black. Oh, I don't like black. I don't like black. I don't want to make it dark. Can you give me the brush?
Wait. Let me guide you. You should watch it carefully. Whenever I do anything, you should watch it carefully.
Oh.
See.
Do they come when they smell food? Auntie, the gate is closed. So how did the monkeys come in the garden? How? The gate is closed. How did the monkeys come in the garden?
Gate is closed now. They can jump.
What?
They can go anywhere.
They can jump.
That's why.
Then why didn't you put that? Then why did you cover it from the up? Why didn't you?
First of all, focus on your work. Please, beta.
Otherwise, go.
Don't focus on that monkey. See the way I'm doing this shading part. Fine. You can do one more thing. I'll guide you. Wait. I'll guide you. Wait. Later on, do it yourself. See. See what I'm doing. See.
Why will?
Move the color like this.
But that's supposed to be not the skin color.
Okay. Take this light brown.
Close
Take-
the black.
Take this light brown now.
You're not using.
Hold this brush. And
close
apply it
this.
here
And
also.
I close this.
Okay, fine.
Let's-
Apply it here now. On the other hand. Yes, very nice. Okay, fine, very nice. Give it to me. Give it to me now. Now see. Spread it with little water. Spread it with little water. In this way. Okay.
Okay.
See, now it's looking very nice now. Beautiful now.
Yeah.
Now take little color on your brush and apply color here also. Now you're supposed to make the other side of the face. Yes, pretty good. Oh, you took little black also from the hair. Very bad.
Oopsie.
Control your hand movements whenever you do any work. Okay, now here also.
What?
Yes. Don't think that it's
Is
scary.
that eyebrow?
Like this. Okay. Yes. Now take this. Do the other one. Do the other one. The way I did. Yes. Now take little water. Little water only, okay? Not much. Not much. Little water. Take now. Take the brush now. Spread it. Yeah.
I do not like it.
Beta, it's a realistic work. Understand?
Yeah. Shoes. Red shoes. Can we go on next page?
No. Take this color out.
Then why did you put on this?
Take out. Don't talk. Concentrate. Watch it carefully. Fine.
Yes. Let's go on next page.
And what about neck? What about neck?
How do we close it? Can you teach
Apply
me?
color on neck also.
Can you teach
Margins,
me how we close it?
boundaries of the neck.
Can you teach me? How do we close
Bas,
it?
that's it. It's closed now. Apply color on neck.
Apply color on neck.
Neck.
What do
Margins of the necks. Margin of the neck. That's it. There also. That's it.
Can we go?
And one more thing.
How about the earring and the earring? That's the part of the face.
Yes. Take this color and apply on the other hand's finger. Yes. The way I did. And now let's merge it. For merging, you'll have to take little water. And like this. Okay. And what about thumb? It's remaining. Still it's remaining.
Mine is done.
Yes.
Thumb is already. Shoes?
What about the legs?
And what about the shoes? Shoes.
Do the other one. Leg. Do the other one. Good.
And done. When can... Now let's go in this